And now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Hi, my name is Wes Alano, and Principal of the Day.
My name is Colin Murphy and Assistant Principal of the Day.
Hi, welcome to the Sea Lion Splash.
We hope you have an amazing holiday. Enjoy the show. Bye.
Bye.
Have a great day, Sea Lions. Bye.
Last week, our kindergartners turned a big corner in the year when they were allowed to ride the tricycles on campus. Here are a few reminders for you guys who are looking to learn how to trike with the best. The first thing is that trikes are available only on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Next, you want to make sure you wait patiently in line, facing the track. Next, be sure to jump on your trike gently and safely and ride. Remember, no bumping when you're on the trikes. The last thing you need to know is that if the bell rings while you're on the tricycle, then you're the lucky one that gets to ride the trike all the way back to the storage room. Have fun out there, kinders. We're super proud of you.
Working really hard.
Happy
What we're doing right here,
holidays.
you're doing what we need to be doing.
There you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.